with Amy and Bella, the Amy Sanchez channel.
Girl, it's okay. I think it's time you need a bottle. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. I'll get you a bottle. Working on it. We're just waiting for her bottle to heat up. It's almost ready. And you can feed this little girl. There you go. That's what she wanted. Look at her little tears. She was so hungry. There we go. She's happy baby now. She finished her bottle. She's happy now. You happy, girl? We need to change her little diaper. She was so hungry I didn't get a chance to do that before we fed her. She just woke up so hungry. Okay, while she's happy, I'm gonna go ahead and change her diaper since she's calm now. Go, little girl. Let's get this wet one off of you. There we go. That's much better. I'll go ahead and put these back on her. Are your tummy full? There we go. I think she might go back to sleep. She's so sleepy. There we go, sweet girl. Alright guys, so I gave her little passy, so she's super happy now. And I've just got her snuggled up here with her little blanket. So it looks like she's gonna fall back to sleep for a little bit, so I'm just gonna let her sleep. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.